In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save DocuSign envelopes in the easiest way possible. If you're new to DocuSign, or simply looking for a streamlined method to securely save your envelopes, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the DocuSign website to access your documents. Make sure you are on the official platform, widely recognized for electronic signatures and agreement management. Once you're there, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your DocuSign homepage. From here, you'll see various options to manage your documents. To begin, click on the Start option. This will allow you to prepare new documents or work with existing ones. Next, it's time to add details to your envelope. Enter all the necessary information, such as the recipient's email address, document title, and any other relevant details. This ensures clarity for everyone involved. Once the details are filled in, upload the documents you want to include. Click on the Upload button to browse your device and select the files. If your documents are saved on your desktop, choose the Desktop option to locate them easily. After selecting your files, click on Next. This will take you to the document preparation stage, where you can review and adjust fields as needed. Finally, to save your envelope, click on Actions and then select Save and Close. This ensures all your entered information and uploaded documents are securely stored in your document account. And that's it. You've successfully saved your document envelope and can return to send or edit it anytime. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple DocuSign tutorials.